I'm going to start part 3 with a what up, dad, because I noticed when I stopped part 2, it was 3 minutes and 3 seconds long. So if you've been following me, you know how that goes, and there's no, coincidence in this that this is part 3. So tribe, let's get into rebuild part 3. If this just dropped on your feed and you feel called to go back and listen to the rest, go ahead. Take what resonates, leave the rest. As always, your soul will let you know. So let's talk about why you doubted yourself for so long. It wasn't confusion. It wasn't insecurity. It wasn't that you didn't know better. You were just fucking gaslit slowly, repeatedly, and strategically by a fucking system that knew who the fuck you were before you did. Your intuition got called dramatic. Your clarity got labeled too much. Your boundaries became fucking attitude. Your sensitivity got turned into a flaw instead of an antenna that it actually is. They didn't misunderstand you. They understood you perfectly. That's the part people miss. They saw your fire. They felt your discernment. They knew you weren't buying the story the way everyone else was, and that scared them. Because people who could hear themselves clearly don't need permission. People who trust their knowing don't stay controllable. People who start seeing how rigged the game is stop playing by the rules. That's the problem for the system. So they distorted your self-trust. They taught you to second guess what you felt in your body. They convinced you to look outside of yourself for confirmation that you never needed in the first place. But here's the truth they couldn't erase. Your power was never the issue. It was just the fucking threat. So if you've finally been hearing your own voice again, don't quiet it. If you're trusting yourself without apologizing, don't fucking backpedal either. You're not becoming dangerous. You always the fuck were. They just wanted to stop you from realizing it your damn self. Like my bully, my everything, handler, whatever the fuck you want to call it, source put it in one individual, and that was my diabolical karmic fucking mother, who's been programming me since, I'm gonna say age 4. Like, I've been connecting my puzzle pieces and my story. We all can once, we start doing the healing work. The puzzle just starts connecting. Pay attention to your signs. Nothing's random in this fucking goddamn reality. Nothing is a coincidence. If you made it this far, this freaking app grades us like we're in school. We get points for a like, comment, a share, a repost, a copy the link. Something. Do it all. Touch all the buttons. Show some love. It's free, man. It's free unless you're a hater. Some people just don't like showing some love. And, if that's the case, you need to look within, not outside. Just saying.